So we're out on site today securing another full transit custom. This one a 13 plate. It's already been attacked a couple of times. We've replaced the Hykee lock in the driver's door. We've also added trigger to see in the sunlight, but ultrasonic interior movement sensors, blue flashing LEDs, one at the top of each A-post, a nice visible deterrent. Also we put a load area internal sensor in this van, and an additional siren in the rear area, as well as the siren under the bonnet, so that once the I've left this ajar slightly just so we can test it. That is loud. Ooh, that's loud. There we go. You're not going to stay in there too long to steal tools. Get in touch if you need a solution for your vehicle.